Hey Sleepyheads, great news. I finally caved and got a haircut. I'm definitely not Brian's evil identical twin brother in a complex plot to steal his life. Not so great news. Sleepy Circuits has been impacted by the chip shortage. Hypnos will be periodically available over the next few months as we slowly get the chips we need to build them. Overall, we expect production to be back to normal by the end of this year, but it could be sooner because we're prototyping with some equivalent replacement parts for the Hypno. If you want to reserve a Hypno in the meantime, we have a couple available as of this video release. Once those run out, we'll be opening up long-term pre-orders on our website. To help stay afloat during the chip shortage, we're expanding our product range to include DIY projects and apparel. Our first DIY project is a Eurorack HDMI expander for the Hypno. The HDMI expander was a highly requested product that allows you to still use the Hypno HDMI output, even when it's mounted within a Eurorack case. Sleepy Winston recently made a video telling us all about it, and you can watch that here, or at the link in the description below. Special thanks goes out to Cowboy and all the other users on the forum who helped us put this project together. For more advanced DIYers, we're also selling the STL files so you can 3D print your own Hypno case. Customize your Hypno by printing the case in your favorite color. On the apparel side of things, the coveted Sleepy Circuits t-shirt, once only available by winning one of our competitions or by working for Sleepy Circuits, is now for sale. These premium t-shirts are soft and stylish. Wear one, or 12 if you live in a very cold climate but have hot arms. On a more serious note, we really appreciate your support during this challenging time. With your help, we'll make it through this chip shortage and continue to make awesome video synthesizers and much more. Just because Hypno availability is currently a little bit limited doesn't mean we'll be neglecting the Hypno as a product. In fact, the opposite is true. We're taking this opportunity to push the Hypno firmware even further. Hypno firmware 2.1.7 was just released and includes bug fixes, 90-degree rotation snapping on all shapes, a help menu with on-screen text, and more. We're also working on a massive update for this summer that will push the capabilities of the Hypno even further. Stay tuned. We're excited to announce that all of our products can again be shipped to the UK. Law changes with Brexit temporarily disrupted shipping, but we figured it out and shipping is open once again. 3 cheers for the Brits. We're also super excited to announce Sleepy.Tube, a new site dedicated to all things video art. We hope that it will serve as an alternative to the mega corporations that collect and sell your data while bombarding you with ads. Although Sleepy.Tube is hosted on servers paid for by Sleepy Circuits, we don't have any ads and we don't sell your data. It is purely a resource for our community to enjoy, share, and create awesome art. All videos on Sleepy.Tube are downloadable and remixable. Sleepy.Tube represents our ongoing commitment to create infrastructure for video artists, and we sincerely hope you take advantage of this awesome platform. If you're a member of the Sleepy Forum, you already have a Sleepy.Tube account. Check it out at the link in the description below, or just type Sleepy.Tube into your browser. Big thanks goes to Cyberboy666 for helping us set Sleepy.Tube up. The winner of the Splash Around Challenge was @Music with this awesome beachfront Hypno visual. Honorable mention goes to @IamBadlyPoisoned and @RudoRudeboy for their great submissions. Everyone's killing it with the wacky Instagram names once again. A new premium video pack is up on the Sleepy Circuits site. Night Visions was created by Hypno assembler and repairwoman extraordinaire Raquel Bell. The Night Visions video pack reveals the creepy, spooky, and even cute sides of night. Included are 20 videos of unusual footage showing far-out desert landscapes and wild animals in moments of sublime action. All videos are shot on night vision cameras, bringing you up close to the unseen world. The stark black and white images play extremely well on the Hypno, allowing for unique blending opportunities. Check it out at the link in the description below. And while you're there, check out the link to this awesome new Night Visions tank top available at Raquel's Etsy shop. Speaking of video packs, this month's challenge is the Video Pack Challenge. Download a free or paid video pack off of the Sleepy Circuits site and then process it through the Hypno. Post your results on Instagram or our forum. remember to tag @SleepyCircuits and include the hashtag #InHypno. Make sure to follow us on Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel for a chance to win this month's prize, a Syntonie CBV001. The winner with the best processed visuals will gain even more processing power with this awesome circuit bent Eurorack module. In other news, with the US slowly getting back to normal, the amazing synthesizer convention that is KnobCon is back. KnobCon will take place on September 10th through September 12th in Chicago. Events include performances, workshops, and a trade show floor that already has over 40 confirmed exhibitors. Sleepy Circuits will monitor stock levels as we get closer to KnobCon, and if all works out, we hope to have a booth. Either way, Sleepy Winston will be there, so if you see him, say hi, and definitely don't ask about my hairier identical twin brother. And now for a new segment, Recommended Reading, where we remind our screen-obsessed fans that books still exist. We'll highlight books that cover a wide range of topics, from video art, to music, to the science of sleep. Speaking of which, today's recommendation from Sleepy Ron is a book titled Why We Sleep. In this book, neuroscientist and sleep expert Matthew Walker takes us through a deep explanation of sleep and how it affects our everyday physical and mental well-being. Walker has been studying sleep for many years and provides some sick charts to help us understand how our body keeps track of time and keeps an eye on our sleep patterns to keep us totally not depressed. Take a break from staring into the hypnotic light show of your video synthesis rig and pick up this book. Sure, it doesn't light up, but if you get the Kindle version, at least there's like a backlight, so that's kind of cool, right? That's it for this edition of Sleepy News. Check out the links in the description below for more information about the Hypno, the HDMI expander, our other DIY projects, Sleepy Apparel, Sleepy.Tube, the Night Visions video pack, the Night Visions challenge, KnobCon, Why We Sleep, the book, and more. Like, subscribe, follow us on social media, and most importantly, get some sleep.